My name is Oliver Queen. After 5 years in hell, I returned home with only one goal, to save my city. Today, I fight that war on two fronts. By day, I lead Star City as its mayor. But by night, I am someone else. I am something else. I am the Green Arrow.
Okay, you couldn't have told me to change?
Well, you look great.
Me here for a GMD or an acid trip techno freak show?
Both if you want. Okay, so the dealer's name is Amnesiac, but I have no idea how to find him.
Well, let's go.
Okay.
Rude. Maybe that door guarded by the three scary dudes with chains for brains? They look friendly. Hello?
You lost?
No, we're here to see Amnesiac. Yep. Now. Oh, okay, that's turn. We should go here. Hands off. Okay, easy, Chrome Dome.
Forgive my thuggish compatriots. I pay them to uphold a certain aesthetic.
You're Amnesiac?
Your shock is exactly what this establishment aims to cultivate. Now, what brings you here?
We need a ghost mirror drive.
What for?
That's our business.
And selling illegal tech is mine, and I only get to stay in business by avoiding legal entanglements. Everything about you two screams narc. Well,
Oliver?
Are you okay?
No! What the hell are you doing here?
Trying to keep you safe? I saw the guys take you.
Yeah, those guys were taking me to this guy who's gonna give us what we needed to stop Kane and James, and now they won't. You kicked the crap out of him. God. You screwed up everything.
He said he thought you were police.
You know, me not wanting your help tonight doesn't have to do with me just needing to do this alone. It has to do with me wanting to protect you. When I was trying to protect you, you are under 24/7 surveillance from the FBI right now. What if somebody saw you?
I can handle it. What I cannot handle and will not stand for is you going off after a criminal without backup.
I get that, but I don't need that right now. What I need is a ghost mirror drive, and I need to get Elena out of here before they all come too.
Felicity.
We will talk about this later.